Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to use the Thrustmaster Ferrari 458 Spider racing wheel on a PC. First, let's try the simplest method. Plug the USB cable of the wheel into your PC. Windows may detect it as a generic controller. Now open a game, especially one from the Microsoft Store like Forza Horizon or Forza Motorsport. These games sometimes recognize the wheel automatically because they use similar drivers as Xbox. If it works, the wheel will act like a standard Xbox controller. If that does not work, you can try a tool called X360CE. This is an Xbox 360 controller emulator. Download and install it, then open the program. Inside the software, you can map the steering wheel, pedals, and buttons to match an Xbox controller layout. Save the settings and launch your game. Many PC games support Xbox controllers, so this can make your wheel usable. Another option is the Xbox Wheel Compatibility tool. This is a community-made solution, and often the most reliable. Do not plug in the wheel yet. First, download the latest installer from GitHub and run it. Wait until you see a successful message. After that, connect the pedals to the wheel, then plug the wheel into your PC. Keep in mind that using third-party tools can be risky. Some platforms may detect them as suspicious, especially in multiplayer games. This could lead to account warnings or bans. It is safer to use these methods in offline mode or avoid them entirely. Thanks for watching.